We went from maybe a 1% to a 3% conversion rate. And to me, that's huge. My name is Ricardo, and I run Lunali Nail Supply. This is a store where nail salons and nail professionals come and get everything they need for their day-to-day. I have been working with StoreLab for about 8 to 10 months. What StoreLab has done for me, number one, is they created an amazing app. Our customers so far love it. I think it's very useful. And they also took over my ads on Facebook, which is one less thing that I've had to worry about. I think that results have been amazing. They've done a phenomenal job. We've seen an increase from a different channel, which is the app. Those are sales we didn't have before. And then we've seen the push and the conversion that the ads have done for the store. So, we've been converting a lot more through our online website, which I would say at least we went from maybe a 1% to a 3% conversion rate. And to me, that's huge. Once we started working together and I started to see the process of the app and how it was coming along, and then they launched the ads, and then the ads were making their effect on the sales, then it all made sense. And, I knew then that it was worth it. I was probably difficult too with all the questions that I had, but they had the answer to it, and then we were able to understand each other and then work together. My biggest takeaway will be the ads. And if you're not advertising, you're not reaching everybody. You should start thinking about setting aside, a budget for ads. And if you can get, someone like StoreLab to do it for you, and you guys can work together and find that middle ground, I think it's totally worth it. It'll definitely help any brand, launch themselves.